Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in global sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.135, with a 24-hour momentum of plus 0.964. This isn't just noise, it's an anomaly compared to our historical baseline. Typically, we see much lower momentum scores, so this uptick indicates a significant shift in sentiment across various semantic clusters, 19, to be exact. You can leverage our API to get real-time insights from this data, returning structured sentiment scores and momentum for your applications. Imagine building a trading algorithm that adjusts strategies based on these sentiment shifts, allowing you to capitalize on emerging trends before they become mainstream. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and see how it can enhance your projects today.